International Youth Day ngayon Martes sa Canada. Sa Calgary, ibinahagi ng isang Pilipinong estudyante ang karanasan niya matapos bisitahin ang ilang Canadian War Memorials sa Europa. Bahagi ng all-expense-paid trip na tanggap para mas maintindihan pa ang kasaysayan at sakripisyo ng mga lubaban para sa kalayaan ng bansa.
Every day, every moment has pushed me to learn and understand more about our humanities history and has changed the way I think.
Isa lamang ito sa aral na bitbit ni Luis Ogbenar, isang estudyante at cadet mula Calgary na kakabalik lamang matapos ang 10-day trip sa ilang Canadian memorial sites sa Europa.
First few days, we visited the Normandy landings, so the beaches where the Allies came into Europe. So that was Juno Beach, Sword Beach, and the Gold Beach as well. We also went to the Menin Gate, which is in Ypres in Belgium, and the Canadian Vimy Ridge Memorial. This is really big memorial. It looks like this actually.
Isa si Ogbenar sa 16 na mga kabataang napili ng Beaverbrook Canadian Foundation at the Vimy Foundation para ipadala sa nasabing biyahe.
It's quite competitive. There was about 250, 300 applications this year, and it's crazy to know that out of all of those, only 16 were chosen, and I was one of those 16.
Ani Ogbenar, bukod sa pagbisita sa mga lugar na humubog sa kasaysayan ng Canada, sa nasabing programa, tinitignan din ang kasalukuyan at hinaharap at ang papel ng mga kabataan dito.
What was really great about the program is that everybody was super into discussing modern problems. How does everybody think about those modern problems? And how can we as youth do something, right? What do we learn and how do we put ourselves into the next, into the world stage? What can we do to help and make not only our communities but our countries better?
Ngayon 2025, dinagdagan ng Canada ang suporta sa Canadian Armed Forces. Si Ogbenar sinabing sana raw hindi malimutan ng mga nasa bansa ngayon na ang kalayaan nararanasan bunga ng mga sakripisyo ng nagdaan henerasyon.
We are a part of that because where are we now? Why can we move to Canada? Because of the sacrifice, because of what has happened in our history. How is our future informed by the past? And so it's good to learn, to remember, and to commemorate like that.
At iyan ang mga balita ngayon araw. Itong Omni News Filipino. Maraming salamat po.